Alright guys, I got big flipper today on a pretty crazy custom job. I did a walk run and had to cut a lock, but there's these two rail cars and the one in the back went over the barrier where the tracks end and it went off the rails. We gotta pull it forward. Are these guys pushing it by hand? Oh my god, they're the Hulk in real life. They're clearing a path so I can get a rotator back here. Alright. Yeah, that's good. Okay, I'm gonna start pushing the train. I didn't think it'd be this easy to get this car out of the way, because the one that was attached to this one is the one that's stuck. My goal is to get Big Flipper to back up to it and use all the winch lines to pull it forward, but it also came off on the rear, so that's where my dad's rotator, the 60-ton, comes in handy. So with the two of us, we'll be able to get it. I'll show you right now. Now we can show you a better angle of what exactly happened. I think this is about 3/4 full, 1/2 to 3/4 they told me. And there's a barrier at the end of these tracks. Somehow it hit the barrier, went off, and now the very rear, there we go, they're in the dirt. As you can see, it came off the rail right there a bit. So it's got to be straightened out and pulled forward. Between the 75-ton and the 60-ton, we should be able to do it. It's just, I mean, this room is horrible. Could not have been in a worse spot. Well, we got the equipment for it, so we'll do our best. Looks like it dug in there pretty well. Oh, listen to that Jake. That's got an original Cat C16 engine in it still. A beast of a rotator. So now I'm going to discuss with my father what my game plan is so we can position our trucks and get to work. Do some heavy lifting. Alright, so my plan is out the window. My dad had a pretty ballsy plan. I'm going to use the raw strength of Big Flipper to deadlift the rear. From right there. While he uses the 60-ton to winch the front forward. Now we only need to go about like 10 feet to get it back on the tracks. So I'm going to be working short jacked, which means I won't have room to extend my outriggers fully. But we'll knock it out. All right. It's an unorthodox position. Okay, my dad's singling out his lines. Let me go on the back, see if I can climb up top to do a deadlift. If not, I'll go from the rear hitch.
You're a gentleman, dude. Thank you. He's trying to climb up the hill. No, we got it, bro. You're awesome, man.
I got it, man.
That's what you do that.
That's what you're paying us for. I've never climbed a ladder before. I mean a rail car.
I already did, but that's fine, sir.
No lift points. Stupid thing.
Did it break? Impressive, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. Okay, I'm airborne. You know what? Let me give my dad my wireless communication headset since I want to stay in the back. We found out this thing is empty. So, because it's empty and it's on the tracks, we just got to pull it forward. Hold it. Okay, go. I'm rotating.
Hold on. It's already on there. Oh, hold on. Look at the track in the back. Look at that track.
Hold it.
Come on. How far did it come on?
We're doing great. How's it looking?
It's going crooked, huh?
No. We're doing great.
Okay, let's go.
Let me stand right here. My God, big flipper strong. Hold it! Keep going! Look at that. It's teeter-tottering. It's about to get back on. As he pulls forward, I rotate. You're done! Hold it! Oh my God, that's awesome. We're gonna do a walk around. Your part's good.
Huh?
You did good on your part. You winched it forward enough.
How you doing?
Now, it's on.
You can tell it wants to go back.
I think we're done.
You know what? Why don't you don't think we should go forward like 3-4 more feet?
Got another interesting call today. If you can see, I'm gonna kill these flashers all the way, and I can't zoom. Well, there's a car about a couple hundred feet all the way over there. How he made it there, I don't know. There's an entrance right here. I'll get out and show you. And my dad's over there talking to the owner. They requested a rotator. Let's get out and show you why. Okay, now it makes more sense. He didn't enter from here. There's gates right there, and I guess there's a carport. He must have, I don't know, auditioning for the new Tokyo Drift movie. And came out from right there. Car should be drivable, so I'm gonna use Hulk. There's zero way to get it any other way. To attach to the rear in a controlled motion, probably winch it out as much as possible, and then once I get to here, I don't know if I'll have to lift it up and over, or without damaging it, I can risk lifting it and putting it on here where it's level, and then driving it out. Let's take a walk and see.
Perfect. Keep going.
All right, Carlos was able to start it.
Keep in the mirror. Hey, try to stay a little bit more that way.
Yeah, I don't know where
You
he
know what?
came
Actually,
from.
if you climb up on
Maybe
top, you can
They did
level
come
it.
in from there, because that
There you
gate's
go,
not
there you go,
damaged.
Just like that. You're gonna level it. Go ahead. I know you're doing good. Get the rear wheel up on top. It's gonna even the car out.
Well, he's gonna drive it as far as he can, and then from there Hulk will lift it up and over.
All the way back. All the way back.
Wow, this is steep. Alright, let's go, go.
Do you have a wedge or something? Get
Oh.
the thing stuck?
A wedge?
Yeah, just anything to get that gate open. Stuck open.
Use my container skates on the opposite side right here. My container skids will hold that open. A bungee too. Hold this. Hold my thing so it doesn't hit the car. All right, let me get my load cell remote.
It was actually cool. I like it.
300 pounds, there's no pressure. You hold on to it. Don't cheat. Dad, that's not the total weight, that's how much force you're putting. Hold on, let me swing it.
I can hold it. Hold on.
Yeah, stand clear, because I got to swing it your way.
Hold on, let's get this bag. He's going to put it right here. Well, let's get one picture, guys.
Swing it so the driver's side's facing out the gate. So swing it so it could drive out.
You got a picture of the motor? 36, man. Yeah, there you go.
There.
That part. The GoPro running? What's that? I'm gonna try to put it here on the slider before you drop it. Okay,
Right here, good?
You're good. Just drop it a little bit, son. Just so it doesn't rock. Let me know when it's touched down. Hold it right there.